Welcome to this edition of the Ewe Show, where I'm taking you through the meanings of the various Ewe names that you possibly might have heard. You have also heard a particular Ewe name, which just sounds like an account name, or which is just written the same way as an account name or gun name. There is a reason for that. Just hold on. All right, this part two of the meanings of the Ewe names is based on what is called Jijimehonko or serial birth names. So we have day names, which always give to their kids, and then we also have serial birth names. So according to your birth, so you are named just like that. Meaning, if you are the first son of your father, there is a particular name that you have to have. If you are the first daughter, there is a name that you have to have. So it's called serial birth name. So let's get right into it. All right, if couples have maybe they have their first child, so we start with the third one. The number, maybe the first child, if a male, which name is given to that child, or if a female, what kind of name is given to that child. So once I'm done, you'll be able to know your friends, your acquaintances, and the names they have. You might find meanings easily. All right, so if you have the third son, if ever men and women have their third child who is a male, the name given to this child is Besan or Besan. All right. So the name given to this child who is the third son of the family is either Besan or Mensa. All right. But if a female, you give her the name Masa, you give her the name Masa, or some people just say Masa. All right. If that child is the fourth child of the family, the fourth child of the family, if a male, you call him Nani or Anani. If a female, you call her Mana. All right. So what happens if that child is the fifth child in the family? So if he is the fifth child in the family, you call him Anumu or Anum. That is the fifth child, the fifth male child in that family. Now, what if that child is a female? You call her Manu, which the accounts say Menu. All right, Manu. All right. So let's go to the sixth one. The sixth child, if a male is Asham, Asham. If a female, you call her Mako or Mako. Remember the name Asham for a male or Mako for a female. But if that child is the seventh child of the family, which is the Andrelia, the seventh one, you call him Betty. And in the case of the female, there is no known name for it. So, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. In case you have any questions to ask concerning our names, I'll be right here next week. See ya.